Well, it's time for breakfast. And what am I going to have this morning? Well, let's see. Yes, we've got some. Look at this. I like steel cut oats in the morning. And I think they just came out with this. Rambling Oat Company. Steel cut oatmeal, fully cooked. Single serving, just heat and eat, ready in 60 seconds. This is the original classic, and they have some different ones too. They've got, what did they have? Brown sugar and maple, and just different ones. But I like the original. That way I can put anything in it. You know, I can put some honey in it later. I can put some almonds in it. And I can put if I put almonds in it, here, this stuff here, you just squirt it out. If I were to put almonds in here, I would put them in now and then microwave it, and then that makes it softer. Afterwards, I could put raisins in it, cut banana, blueberries, strawberries, anything like that. That's all there is to it. Ready in 60 seconds, heat in 60 seconds. Directions: tear off open pouch, squeeze contents into bowl and microwave for 60 seconds. That's it. Now, I've only done this a few times, but this is a good way to have it in if you're in a rush. You know, I've got other. Oh, come on. I've got other quick oats. The 2 to 3 minute ones, I don't think I have any right now. Got some other steel cut oats. This is steel cut oats from Quaker. And this one I think is like 20 minutes or something. Some ridiculous thing. Let's see how long it is. Simmer uncovered over low heat, stirring occasionally for 25 to 30 minutes. And that's how you used to get steel cut oats. So if you get steel cut oats, get the 2 to 3 minute ones. They have 2 to 3 minute steel cut oats where you boil it, put it on low over the stove. And then they have some other stuff, 2 to 3 minutes, that you can do in the microwave. Look at that, it's already ready to eat. Unbelievable. Yep. It's hot. It's hot, all right. And I don't know, maybe I'll put a little bit of a banana in it or something. And then what do I usually like milk-wise? I don't drink milk anymore. What is this? Mommy just got it at the store. Here, check it out. Silk almond. I like this one here. It's silky smooth, but it's the vanilla flavor. I like that. And you know, you go to the store and you think, oh, I'll find it easily. There's so many different kinds, it's ridiculous. So, but this is the one I like to try to find. Silk vanilla, and it's got 80 calories. I've tried the 60 calorie stuff, and I've tried the one that's non-flavored, and just different brands. And this stuff here has kind of a milky substance to it. Some are so creamy that, you know, it's almost like I don't know, a thin yogurt or something. When you're eating it, it doesn't even taste and go down like milk. Okay, so that's what I'm having this morning. What are you having? This is a great breakfast. Steel cut oats with some almond milk. And I think I'll have a banana too. I'll just cut the little slices and put it in with the banana. Nice easy way to eat a banana as well. All right, that's all I have for you this morning. See you next time.